Izikole zamabanga aphezulu ezingama-62 zasezilalini kunye nasezilokishini zaseMpuma Kapa ziza kukhuphisana kukhuphiswano lombhoxo lwetumente iMzwandile Mali. Umsunguli wale tumente uLincoln Mali nephehlelelwe ngoLwesihlanu uthi ikhulile le tumente ukusukela ekuqaleni kwayo
What makes this year so special is just the growth. You know, we started this in 2014 with only 8 schools. This year we're going to have 62 schools in 7 areas of the Eastern Cape. It's amazing, and the joy that is coming from these kids, the style of rugby they play, they're showcasing their talent. And so to see them here, full uniform, with rugby veterans, with school principals, coaches, and the Department of Sport, Department of Education, it augurs well for the future. I'm hoping that this year I'll be able to build a league so that at the end of the tournament, at the end of the tours, these kids can play regular rugby. When I was young, we used to play on Wednesdays and people used to come and watch. These kids are now not having that opportunity. We want to give them that opportunity so they can play regularly. We also have another dream to bring a women's tournament, probably this year or next year. So we're always trying to set new standards for ourselves. Great, because some of our boys are now at university. They're playing for WUSU, Walter Sisulu University. They're playing for University of Fort Hare. Some of our boys have been absorbed by schools like Graham College. Some of our boys who played in this tournament are referees. Some of the boys who played in this tournament are coaches. That's the development that you want. You want to build administrators, referees, match officials, and you want to build players. And other boys did not continue the rugby, but they are going to university. And that's what we want, for kids to see the success from what they do. And you heard today from one of our players who's at Nelson Mandela University. You might have heard from one of our players who's at Fort Hare. You heard from one of our players who's at Walter Sisulu University. So we keep in touch with these boys. We encourage them. We don't just end with the tournament. We want to build them as young men.
Inqununu yaseNzondelelo uThapha Nqankonki nezintshatshelo zetumente uthi banoxinzelelo kulo nyaka.
Inkulu kakhulu ipressure yento yoba masiperforme abantu for the past 6-7 years si-participate besoloko sizi-champion, so everyone ulwela into yoba makabethe Nzondelelo. Yes, inkulu ipressure kakhulu weske kulo mnyaka. There's a new cup ekhoyo, iyasinyanzela into yoba masiperforme better than last year. Esikolweni sam into esiyikhuthazayo kakhulu into yoba umntana xa edlala irugby makaqiniseke into uyapasa. Sinayo ke irecord etshoyo na last year o-captain bethu babezi-bachelor passes kuba zihamba zombini ezinto ezi. Zininzi ne-rugby players ebesinazo ezikoma-Free State University, UCT, we can name in a few of those universities. So zihamba zonke mntana. Rugby ihamba nesikolo kuba isikolo sesisamlitshela into umntana makazime ebomini.
Inqununu yesikole samabanga aphezulu i-UNAGE uMark Williams uthi bayavuya beza kuthatha inxaxheba ityeli lesithathu kule tumente.
Yes, again a wonderful privilege for us to be part of this memorable tournament. Lots of effort going into it. This is our 3rd year, and our boys have been privileged to be part of all the experiences. Some of them the first year went overseas as part of that tour there, and the others then last year were able to participate in major tournaments in South Africa. So indeed, for our boys coming from disadvantaged areas, it means a great deal to be able to rub shoulders on these stages with our heroes as it is. Look, you can never be too well prepared. We know that the competition will be tough. Of course, the defending champions on the Lelo always performing well, but also other schools. So the competitive nature of it, in fact, is something that we always strive to improve as a school and as a squad. But ultimately, it's about the participation and the enjoyment and the experience, making new friends. So yes, we're looking forward to a competitive tournament, but ultimately it's about providing opportunities for these youngsters.
Imidlalo engama-25 yele tumente iyaqala ngomso kwiindawo ezahlukeneyo kweli phondo. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.